guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Raf. Today we've had in this beautiful VW Grand California. So this is, the Grand California is basically a camper van which is built by VW. It's a stunning van, really nice van. This van's been bought in from Germany. The owner of this van watched some of our videos, previous videos on my camper van, and he came and met us at the NEC Camping and Caravan show. They've actually booked in two vans. So there's this one which is travelled up from London, and then the other one's coming up from Cornwall. So, you know, people do travel to us. And he wanted obviously the best security system for his van. He came around to the stand, we had a good chat. Obviously we do a few different packages, and in the end we're going for like the main camper system that we do, which is based on the Pandora Camper. But this is not just your ordinary camper which you can buy for anybody. This has been fully customized in-house. Obviously we do a lot of camper vans. If you know me, I've had motorhome since 2010, so it's something I'm quite passionate about. So we've completely customized this system and installed it to this Grand California, and it works really well. I mean, this van is protected against every single form of theft available. It's got every single sensor money can buy. We've also added on anti-hijacking protection as well for this owner. Plus he's got the ability to remotely shut down this van. So when he gets out of the van, he locks the doors off his factory fob, the alarm arms, he leaves the van, walk away. When he comes back to the van, he's got to have either his tag or his Pandora fob with him. As long as he's got one of these two with him, when he unlocks the doors, the system disarms, he can start the van and he can drive off. Should anybody steal his keys and not have the fob and try and start the vehicle, it won't start, the alarm will go off. And on top of that, because it's a smart system, it will call and text the owner telling them something's going on with the vehicle, and it'll even notify them telling them the ignition's been turned on or your door's been open, etc. This alarm's also got an internal movement sensor which protects the internal area of the vehicle. On top of that, it's got a multi-stage shock sensor, tilt sensor and a motion sensor. The multi-stage shock sensor works really well on this. I'll demonstrate. So once he's armed the system, if anybody walks up to the van and messes with it, and this works the whole way around, even on the back doors, the system emits a chirp, basically means bugger off, I'm picking you up. Any heavier impacts will trigger the full alarm system. On top of that, obviously if they tilt the vehicle up, motion, any movement, anything like that will trigger the alarm. As I said earlier, it's got a multi-stage immobilizer on it as well. The system also has an app where he can see everything that's going on with his vehicle. He can control the alarm from the app as well. It's got tracking built in, so he can see where the van is, where the van has been. He can see event history as well, so why the alarm went off at 2 in the morning, he can see that. Via the app, he can also adjust all the external sensors himself. On top of that, like I said earlier, it's got the ability to remotely shut down the engine. So should this van get stolen and somebody takes the tags with them and the keys, the owner can simply dial the van, type in a specific command, and basically what that means, that command means in English is ignore the tags, initiate hijack, and the van will just shut down when it's safe to do so. And that's the key, it will only kill it when it's safe to do so. Anti-hijacking protections built in as well, and we have wired it in. So this is an option where you can either have it or not have it. This customer's opted for it. So if he's driving his van and he's pulled out of the van will go so far down the road. The reason it does that is it allows the thief, allows there to be a little bit of distance created between yourself and the thief, and it'll eventually remotely shut down the van. He's also got home mode on this alarm as well, so when he's sleeping in the van at night, he can activate home mode, or if he's leaving any dogs in the van. What that means is all the sensors are disabled, because obviously you don't want the alarm going off when you're walking around in the van at night. All the external sensors are disabled, but the vehicle still has full perimeter protection, so if the bonnet doors, back doors or side door are open, the alarm will go off. And all of that is really easy to use. This is a fantastic system. I've got the same system on my own camper van. This is how highly I regard it. If anybody wants the absolute best security system for your Grand California, or for pretty much any camper van or motorhome, drop us a shout, guys. We specialize in motorhome and camper van security systems down here. A lot of places will just fit you a car alarm on your vehicle and put you on your way. We do specific systems for camper vans and motorhomes. So guys, if anybody's got any questions, please ask down below. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. See you later, I'm out.